Now they are doing, Suchitra is here, they are doing biotechnology. So much of research, so much of all these things. Now by using quantum computing, you can reduce the time, you can prepare your modules at a cost-effective way. Even personal medicine is not far away. So this is where I am visualizing all these things. So how to go about, all of us has to think in that direction. As Our Excellency Jennifer has rightly mentioned, India and America, two big democracies. We have to compete with each other, we have to work together for each other for global good. India and America has to do in that direction. That will go a long way. Even Secretary has rightly mentioned now, they are building ecosystem. He made one comment, I am very happy. He has to prepare very clear targets. Finally, he said, India is not only a participant, we will be a player. From the beginning, I am saying we are becoming a user. Software, we are very strong. But at the same time, products, we are very weak. That is the biggest challenge, sir. I am telling you. You give challenges to our people. They are prepared to go for products. In the initial stage, entrepreneurs, we have to give some leverage. Even some people may fail, but we have to encourage. Then they will be successful. So, in this meeting, I am telling so many people you have seen from the morning, so much of enthusiasm. Now you prepare, quantum computing means not only getting one machine and putting in Amravati, then you think quantum computer has come, my work is over. No. How to create that ecosystem is important. Today also we had some meetings, all experts. I am only a policy maker. I will protect everybody's interest. If I cannot promote, nobody can promote quantum computing or deep technologies in this country. Fortunately, now we are having a Prime Minister. He is ahead of me. He is always thinking future. Earlier, I have seen so many Prime Ministers, I used to talk to them. Sometimes they used to say, we won't understand why you are making me to suffer. That were the days. Today, if I talk something, Prime Minister will give not only answer, he will give a solution. That is how he is working. We are proud, that's where I am saying always, right time, right leader, right place. That is Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. With this, even yesterday was talking to me, now sending people to war, there is no relevance. We have to concentrate on technology. How to use technology and new innovations, that is the order of the day, that is where he is working in the direction. Just now, Ajay Kumar Sood has rightly mentioned, this year, International Year of Quantum Computing by UN, even strategic autonomy, anything for that matter, we have to move in that direction. As he rightly mentioned, imagine quantum satellite. As on today, satellite is giving some advantages. If you go for quantum satellite, then you can imagine how things are going to. It is a matter of, I am very clear, innovation is the order of the day. There are revolutions now in innovations. We are thinking somebody is innovating. That is where I used to say always, earlier, myself, I had one Mr. Raji Reddy, who was a professor in computer science in Carnegie Mellon University. We used to discuss how to take computerization to the common man. Then we created for graduate